Welcome back to our channel Tech Enthusiast. Today we're diving deep into the future of mobile technology with our list of the top 5 best foldable smartphones of 2024. From next level hinge designs to stunning displays that bend the limits of innovation, get ready to unfold the future. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit that like button and let's get right into it. Number 5. Google Pixel Fold. In an age where technology consistently challenges the boundaries of innovation, Google steps up its game with the Pixel Fold. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement of where the tech world is heading. Starting with this distinct dual-size display, the Pixel Fold showcases a comfortable 5.8-inch screen when folded, perfect for one-handed use. But the magic begins when it unfolds to reveal a massive 7.6-inch display, ensuring an immersive viewing experience like no other. The hinge, a vital component in any foldable device, is touted by Google as the most durable in the market. This robustness is matched by the phone's smooth display that races up to 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. For the shutter bags, the phone houses a dynamic camera system. From its 48-megapixel main camera to 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, capturing moments in all their glory is a breeze. Not to forget its capability to record in crisp 4K at both 30 and 60 FPS. Inside, the Pixel Fold is powered by a whopping 4,821 mAh battery, promising over a day's use and stretching up to an incredible 72 hours with its extreme battery save mode. Backed by 12 LPDDR5 GB RAM, the device offers storage options of 256GB and 512GB. At the heart of its performance lies the Google Tensor G2 chip, strengthened further by the Titan M2 security coprocessor. Security gets another layer with both fingerprint and face unlock features, and the VPN by Google One. The Pixel Fold doesn't compromise on connectivity, offering Wi-Fi 6E and the latest Bluetooth technologies. With a price tag of $1,799, Google positions the Pixel Fold not just as a phone, but as the future in your pocket. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung has always been at the forefront of smartphone innovation, and with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it asserts its dominance in the foldable market. The first thing that catches the eye is the dazzling dynamic AMOLED 2X display, offering brilliant color reproduction and clarity. The display takes your visual experience to new heights with a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. Whether you're gaming or streaming, everything feels smoother and more immersive. Under the hood, the Z Fold 5 is a beast, powered by an octa-core CPU coupled with a generous 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This device is built to handle multitasking with ease, ensuring users a seamless and lag-free experience. For those who live their life through the lens, the triple rear camera setup won't disappoint. With a primary 50-megapixel sensor flanked by 12-megapixel and 10-megapixel sensors, every shot is a potential masterpiece. The camera ensembles guarantees stunning photographs regardless of the environment. Despite its slim profile, the Z Fold 5 houses a 4400 mAh battery capable of up to 21 hours of wireless video playback. A delightful addition for note-takers and artists alike is the S Pen Sport, bridging the gap between smartphones and tablets. Connectivity is top-notch with the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth V 5.3 technologies. The USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-C interface ensures swift data transfers and fast charging. With a price point of $1,999, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a luxurious investment into the future of mobile technology. Number 3. Huawei Mate X3. In a marketplace thrumming with foldable devices, Huawei's Mate X3 emerges as a pinnacle of design and performance, setting a new standard in the segment. The Mate X3 boasts an incredible display that, when folded, stands at a comfortably compact 6.4 inches, but as it unfolds, users are greeted with a sprawling 7.85-inch screen, an expansive canvas for all multimedia endeavors. At its core, this smartphone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 4G mobile platform, complemented by a robust Adreno GPU. These, combined with the 7th generation Qualcomm AI engine, make the Mate X3 a powerhouse, delivering unparalleled performance and efficiency. Photography enthusiasts can rejoice with a triple camera system led by a 50-megapixel ultra-vision camera. This, combined with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, guarantees breathtaking shots in every scenario. The video capabilities are equally impressive, sporting resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 pixels. Storage and memory are more than generous, with a combination of 12GB RAM and 512GB of ROM. Additionally, the device sports NMSD cards, allowing an expansion of up to 256GB, ensuring users never run out of space. Ensuring longevity, the Mate X3 is equipped with a 4800 mAh battery. Durability is also prioritized with IPX8 certification, making it splash, water, and dust resistant. Modern connectivity features from WLAN to Bluetooth 5.2 and advanced sensors round off this masterpiece. At a price of $2,099, the Huawei Mate X3 stands as a testament to Huawei's commitment to innovation and luxury in one package. Number 2. OnePlus Open. Introducing the OnePlus Open, a device that seamlessly blends compact design, durability, and state-of-the-art technology to redefine smartphone excellence. One glance at the OnePlus Open and you're met with its stunning Pro XDR displays. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching a movie, the 6.31-inch super fluid AMOLED screen boasting a 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz promises an immersive experience like no other. Photography aficionados will appreciate the phone's 64-megapixel camera equipped with 3x optical zoom and 6x in-sensor technology. Capture every story, every emotion in the best way possible, whether it's 4K at a smooth 60 FPS or the visually arresting Dolby Vision HDR format. Under its sleek exterior, the OnePlus Open is a powerhouse. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, combined with an overwhelming 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB ROM, ensures that multitasking is a breeze. Say goodbye to lags and interruptions. Keeping this tech marvel alive is a 4805 mAh battery, bolstered by an impressive 67-watt fast charging capability. Never miss a beat with minimal downtime between charges. The audio experience is equally captivating thanks to multi-spatial speakers powered by Dolby Atmos. Innovative features like cross-channel thermal conductivity keep the device cool under pressure. Stay connected with the Wi-Fi 7 and dual 5G cellular connectivity, ensuring seamless online experiences. Priced at $1,699.99, the OnePlus Open isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement of elegance and functionality, a device truly open to endless possibilities. Number 1. Oppo Find N3. In an era where technology defines the pace of our lives, Oppo steps into the limelight with its Find N3, a blend of elegance, innovation, and sheer performance. The Oppo Find N3 captivates at first sight with its expansive main screen spanning 7.82 inches. Yet, when folded, it neatly transitions to a practical cover screen measuring 6.31 inches. The FHD Plus resolution of 2484 by 1116 ensures crystal clear visuals, while the main screen's 120Hz refresh rate promises smooth animations and a premium user experience. Photography lovers can rejoice with the device's dual camera setup. The rear boasts a 48-megapixel main camera, capturing detailed and vibrant images. Meanwhile, the front cameras impress with a 20 megapixel sensor on the main screen and a staggering 32 megapixel on the cover screen, perfect for those pristine selfies. Powering the Find N3 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2, which, coupled with the ColorOS 13.2 operating system, promises a seamless user interface. With 16GB RAM and 512GB ROM, lag and storage issues are things of the past. Safety and accessibility are paramount. The biometric features, encompassing both fingerprint scanning and facial recognition, ensure your device is secure yet easily accessible. Moreover, with 4805 mAh battery supported by a 67-watt fast charge, the phone remains your companion throughout the day. Connectivity isn't compromised, as the device sports a range of WLAN frequencies and Bluetooth 5.3. With a price tag of $2,399, the Oppo Find N3 is not just a gadget, it's a testament to the future of mobile technology today. And there you have it, tech lovers, the top 5 foldable smartphones that are defining 2024. If this list enlightened your tech-savvy soul, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and let us know your top pick in the comments below. For more cutting-edge rundowns, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Stay connected and catch you in the next one.